After 46 years in space, Voyager 1 has transmitted something truly astonishing. Its latest signals might hold the first direct clues about what lies beyond the edge of the observable universe. For decades, scientists have debated a mind-bending question. If the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into, if anything at all? Now, a spacecraft launched in the 1970s might have just brought us one step closer to the answer. Voyager 1 is moving at over 38,000 miles per hour and is currently more than 15 billion miles from Earth. It remains humanity's most distant object, drifting silently through interstellar space. Designed with less computing power than a modern digital watch, Voyager 1 has far outlived expectations. And despite its age, it's still sending back data that has now stunned the astronomical community. Its recent readings show strange patterns that don't align with what we expect from the interstellar medium. Plasma fluctuations and abrupt shifts in magnetic fields have never been recorded like this before. Some experts believe Voyager may be passing through unknown structured regions, suggesting that what lies beyond the solar system might not be empty space, but something far more complex. Voyager was never designed to reach this far, yet it's now detecting signs that challenge our current understanding of cosmology. The instruments still functioning, the plasma wave subsystem and magnetometer, have picked up anomalies that hint at an unseen boundary in space, perhaps even beyond our universe. This leads us straight to the heart of one of the biggest puzzles in science. If the universe contains everything, how can it be expanding? And what could it be expanding into? According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, space itself is stretching. Galaxies aren't flying through a pre-existing void, they're embedded in space that's expanding in all directions, like dots drawn on the surface of an inflating balloon. This expansion isn't slowing down. In fact, it's accelerating, thanks to a mysterious force known as dark energy. Discovered in 2011 by Nobel laureate Dr. Brian Schmidt and his team, dark energy is believed to make up about 68% of the total energy in the universe. It drives the cosmos apart at an ever-increasing rate. But what is it? Why is it there? These remain unanswered. Now Voyager 1 might have stumbled upon new evidence that hints at the very fabric of our cosmos. The plasma wave subsystem recorded strange oscillations, waves in the interstellar medium that don't match any known plasma models. Meanwhile, its magnetometer captured sharp directional changes in magnetic fields, unexpected and sudden transitions, almost like invisible walls in space. Normally, magnetic fields in interstellar space are consistent over long distances. But Voyager detected abrupt changes that resemble boundaries. Some scientists think these could be domain walls, transitional borders between regions of space with different quantum properties. Others propose something even more radical, that Voyager is brushing against the edge of our universe or interacting with neighboring ones. Dr. Lisa Randall, a leading theoretical physicist, has suggested that our universe might be a brane, a kind of membrane floating within a higher dimensional reality. If true, Voyager could be detecting bleed-through effects from this multi-dimensional realm. Other theories draw from the multiverse model. Dr. Alan Guth, who pioneered the theory of cosmic inflation, believes Voyager's data could represent bubble signatures, evidence of other universes expanding alongside ours in a larger multiversal space. Dr. Max Tegmark has even speculated that what Voyager is picking up may be interference patterns from neighboring universes, like ripples in a cosmic foam. Then there's Dr. Andre Lind, who proposes that domain walls between universes might cause physical constants to shift. If Voyager has encountered one of these walls, it might explain the oddities in its readings. Could this be the first observational evidence that our universe is just one bubble among many? And if our universe is expanding into something, what happens when it runs into resistance? One theory suggests that instead of facing a big freeze or big crunch, the universe could meet a big rip, where space itself tears apart at the seams, possibly at the boundaries between universes. Dr. Kip Thorne, Nobel laureate and one of the minds behind gravitational wave detection, says that if these observations are confirmed, we may need to rewrite modern cosmology from scratch. But he also warns, these are early findings. Voyager's instruments are nearly half a century old. The power supply has dropped to just 4 watts, barely enough to light a small LED. Calibration is difficult, and degraded electronics could easily produce misleading signals. Dr. Suzanne Dodd, Voyager project manager, put it this way: "We're working with technology older than the scientists analyzing the data. So we must ask, are these anomalies real? Or are they just artifacts, glitches from ancient sensors, interference from supernovas, or plasma behavior we've never seen before?" To answer these questions, we'll need new missions equipped with modern tools. NASA's proposed interstellar probe could travel 3 times faster than Voyager and carry high-resolution instruments specifically designed to study cosmic boundaries. The European Space Agency has also explored modifying its Comet interceptor to investigate deep space regions. Meanwhile, China's Interstellar Express is aiming for launch around 2030, with plans to chart unexplored areas beyond our heliosphere. Voyager the 1 may be old, but it continues to whisper secrets from the void. Its latest signals could be more than static. They might be the first whispers from beyond the known universe. If confirmed, this could mark the beginning of a new era in our understanding of reality. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the cosmos, one signal at a time.